Hello everybody, Tad Stevens, CPEthink.com here. Wanted to make a quick video on how to use our site and the features and some of the buttons and links and everything that are involved. So first off, this is our home page. We have a search bar up here that you can search by category and by any keyword. We also have some reviews and some other things going on. Main things on this site are, one, this message right here in the middle. This just lets you know who is using our site currently and what has happened. If you want to get rid of it, just click that X right there and it'll go away. Second thing is this subscription button or bell or icon right here. This will subscribe and unsubscribe you from push notifications. So if you ever want to get out or into push notifications, just click this here. And then this is our support bubble right here, where you can create a support ticket. You can respond to support tickets. We'll communicate with you here. If you leave, if we're not available, just leave your email and it'll go into our help desk and we'll get right back to you. Next, and you can also, when this thing pops up, there's a little X right here. You can dismiss it and get rid of it that way. So our menus, we have two main menus up here, courses and company. Our company, this is all about us. This is our sponsor IDs and other types of certifications. This is the different ways that you can get support or get things from our site. And then this is our blog. In our courses menu, we have three columns here. We have courses you can list by course type. We have unlimited and limited CPE subscriptions. You get your choice. We have prepaid CPE cards at a discount, kind of gift card type things. We have free CPE courses. And then this is a list of courses, or these links will list courses by category, whichever one you would like. And then these are not all of our ethics, but these are most of our ethics. If you want all ethics, just click this all ethics link up here. You can get all regulatory or all behavioral, all IRS ethics, AICPA based or generic courses. And then these are the main states that have required board certified or board approved ethics courses. So let's go look and see what a search would like. Oh, if this thing pops up, this pops up whenever you go to the top of the screen. Just click close and it'll go away. But if you want that coupon, you can use that coupon. So if we go to a search, let's go to all courses. And how to search on our site is most any screen will have this search bar up here at the top. These are drop downs that you can search by course type or item type, then by course type. So if you want just video courses, if you want certain fields of study, you can select those here, certain authors, and then by number of hours you can select here. And you can also use keyword search, and you can use a wildcard here. So if I wanted to look for, say, Texas, anything that had Texas ethics, that exact phrase in it, that would pull it up. But if I want anything that has Texas and then ethics in any form, so anything in between as well, I would put this % in the middle here and then click search, and it will go out and it will list those courses for you. So after you've searched, you found your course, you add it to your cart, you click add, you'll get this message, and then you go to your cart. And because you're not logged in yet, it will require you to log in. So I'm going to log in. Well, I'll log in. Sorry about that. It's being finicky because of the video. There we go. Log in. And then here's where you would check out. If I hadn't logged in, say I wanted to get rid of that item, I'll just click that trash can. And then to log in, I would go to this page. I would enter my login information, click login, and it will log me in. Take me to my courses page. This is where it will list the system will list all the courses that you have selected. To take a course, you just click one of these icons. If you want to open it in this window, click this icon. If you want to open it in a separate window, so you can have multiple windows open, click there. You can download or open the course in a PDF right here. You can have a PDF emailed to you, or you can download the PDF to your PC. If you're interested in taking the exam, you would use these two icons up here, same thing as the course. Open the exam in this window or in a new window. You can also preview the exam. This is if you want to print it off, take it with you, or if you want to just open it in a separate window, but you can't take the exam from these links. These are just to preview it. To take the exam, you have to click one of these links. Then other than that, probably the thing that a lot of people will be looking at is how to register. So you would click the register link, login register link up here. It would pop up that window and it will take you to this page. This top section is the only thing that's required. This section down here is optional, but it can be helpful. Basic information: first name, last name, email address, password, address, city, state, country, zip, phone number. We need one primary phone number. This password hint is a question that we ask for you to put the answer in here, so that if you lose your password or you need help, we can ask you this question, and that way we know it's your account. And then work type over here is just for our information. You can select which work type you have, other, or you can select prefer not to say. That's fine. And then here, email notification. Please do check this because it allows us to keep in touch with you. Otherwise, we won't email you at all. Also make billing address the same. This is billing addresses for your credit card information. If it's a different address, just click this check or billing update. Click to update billing. Fill in all your different information here and then click submit. And that's pretty much how to use the site. Any questions? Click this icon down here and then click new conversation and open up a conversation with us. So thanks for being here. If you have any questions, let us know. Bye.